Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Cash App application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device. And since you are already logged into your account, you will directly be taken into your dashboard. Now, from the home page, in order to log out, tap on the account icon at the top right corner, and now you will be taken into your profile page. From this page, scroll all the way down and you will see the sign out button. Tap on this button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to sign out. Go ahead and tap on OK to provide your confirmation, and now you will be signed out from your Cash App account right away. If you wish to log back in, you can simply use your email address or your phone number and your verification code, and you will be logged back once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Cash App. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.